So Jered had the last load of the night, and I know a few of you have wanted to see the actual bunk operation, or the push-up packing, if you will. So I thought I'd video the last load going in for the night. We've got some pavement grindings there in case anybody's wondering. They just got this bunk backfilled, and they're actually able to dump up top here. And most of it they pushed in from the bottom. And now they're just taking this and they're pushing it from the top down over. Got Nate running push-up tractor here. Jered pushed most of it off, or half of it off rather, and then he pulled ahead. Now he's got the last little bit coming out there. We got Jaden running the other packing tractor here. Make sure I don't get run over up on here. You're right. They've got a... he's getting the last little bit out there. That trailer sure does leave a mountain of feed there. He's just dropping the top down so that when he pushes it, he doesn't end up having it come over the top of the blade. They've got to bring some more fill in here yet to get this filled in. And then they're cutting a driveway in from the top as well so that we can access this area right straight from and off the road there. And then there's going to be another driveway that's going to continue around the top side here as well. But when we want to get into the bottom of the bunk, we can either go all the way around, come in from the bottom and across, or come in from the top. Eventually, we're going to put a cement pad in here, or we're going to continue from this cement pad that's already there over to the top of the wall. We're pushing off the top of the stone here, but we got to let this settle since this was all dug out, brought all back in fresh. We don't want to concrete it right now. But it makes it nice being able to dump up on top, and then you don't have to push the stuff up in such a steep, you know, go up such a steep grade here. We originally we were going to save this new bunk here for corn silage, but we had a lot more hay than we thought we were going to have, so we figured we'd put it in this bunk, and I wanted to put third in this one as well. And as you can see, that bunk is, well, it's just about full. We've got a couple days left here of second cutting, and it's just barely going to fit in that bunk. There is a lot of room down in the front side there, but yeah. Well, we better get on to the next thing. I've got to get the fuel trailer full of fuel so I can service up the chopper first thing in the morning. Usually we do that the night before, but I didn't have the trailer down in the field that we finished up chopping in here tonight. The following day here now, and I kind of wish the sun would come out, but we've had to use the dump wagon a little bit. Just got Davey loaded. It had some wet spots up on the upper side of this one particular field there, and he's gonna dump that on actually his brother's truck, and then he's going to get back to merging. We've got the wetter part of this field done already, and we're just going to keep on moving on here. So we've got roughly 2.5 days of chopping left here, and then we'll be done with second cutting. So that's going to do it for this video, folks. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll catch you at the next video. Got Jered rolling in here hot. So that's gonna do her, folks. Take her easy.